Hey everyone, Uncle Gary here. This is a continuous story about building a shed on Olivia's project house. Right now we're pre-cutting all the materials that we actually sawed out of the logs, and we're prepping them so that when we get to the job site, I won't have to do much staining or cleaning up siding or squaring up the boards. I'm squaring them all up to even lengths and getting the most I can out of all these boards. See, when you cut out of logs, sometimes you get long pieces, sometimes you get short. I've got leftover siding from a job that we replaced the siding on, and it's been sitting outside for a while, so though it is good and serviceable, it is a little dirty, so we're pressure washing it all off. So when we put it up on the side of the building, it looks actually pretty darn good. I pre-cut all the roof rafters, and I actually made a video about that, and it actually shows you how to do it in case you're building a shed with a hipped roof like I am here. And I think I made it pretty easy to understand, but there's a video about that. Now, since I did all the pre-cutting of the rafters, I pre-stained the outside with the rafter tails so that I don't have to do that and get it slopped all over me after I install them. It just makes it a little faster, and I'm actually using this wood preservative, Thompson's Water Seal, on all the floor joists so that it will deter any insects or keep the boards from rotting from any moisture that may appear underneath the shed. Yep, here it is. Now it's time. We've got all this material, and guess where it's got to go? It's got to go inside the party bus. Here we are. I got the siding loaded in first, and now it's time for the boards. When it's all said and done, that party bus got a pretty full load. Now we're on the job site. It's all got to come out, one board at a time. So that the next episode, we'll get started framing the floor. If you liked what you've seen on this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Yep, guess what time it is? It's time for that rotten old skunk.